Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to unlock a write protected USB drive, a SD, or micro SD memory card. Open my computer, paste the file to your pen drive. Pop-up menu displays the disk is write protected. I want to format the pen drive. The pop-up menu displays the drive is write protected. One of the best method to solve this problem is using the command isDiskPart. Type CMD in search bar. Right-click command click Run as administrator. Type diskpart. Type list disk. Shows the connected all disks including USB pen drives. My pen drive is disk 2. Type select disk 2. Disk 2 is selected. Type attributes disk clear read only. Type clean. Type create partition primary. Type select partition 1. Type active. Type format space fs equaled fat32 space quick. Format completed successfully. Exit from diskpart. Exit from command prompt. Now you can copy the files to your pen drive. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.